They will analyze the case properly and give a result which is useful for the committee.
And any country, the responsible of security is rests on soldiers. Thank you.
Namaste. I am Rohika from grade 8. My role is a police. Police is the work to help society and our citizens of our nation. It is a work which has more responsibility towards people.
Have gained in numbers by the outer migration. Balancing population.
Birth rate is the number of people born in specific places over a set period of time.
Death rate is the number of deaths in a population over a period of time.
When the birth rate is more than death rate,
the population will increase. When the birth rate and the death rate remains the same,
population stays the same. When the death rate is more than birth rate,
the population will decrease. Thank you.
Namaste. Greetings to all. We, the students of grade 8, have chosen the topic human resource. Our topic represents the representation of both men and women in various platforms.
In the field of education, men are 46.7%.
In the field of education, women are 53.3%.
in the field of business, men are 82%.
In the field of business, women are only 18%.
In the field of GDP, men are 82%.
In the field of GDP, women are only 18%.
In the field of workforce, men are 46%.
In the field of workforce, women are
समाज के महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाते हैं.
Doctor, teachers, scientists, farmers all plays a crucial role in society's development.
शिक्षण और प्रशिक्षण के मानव संसाधन की क्षमता बढ़ती है.
Education and training enhance the potential role of good human resource.
जब लोग कुशल और शिक्षित होते हैं, योगदान देते हैं.
When people are skilled and educated, they contribute to the progress of our nation.
नवाचार और प्रगति के लिए
piping technique and creating a funnel-like structure which is big, and even creating a rectangle tank which can directly fall water droplets into the sump. But we have used in this project is roof piping technique. We have here is the curved surface which can stop the water to flowing down, and here the funnel we can direct those waters can directly go into that and save in the sump. Thank you.
So, it is a green roof. Green roof is covered by the vegetables and soil both combination. If we are placing the green roof,
தமிழில் தொல்காப்பியத்தை எழுதியவர்கள் பாரதியார்.
திருநெல்வேலி மாவட்டம் எட்டயபுரத்தில் கவிஞர், எழுத்தாளர், இதழாளர், கவிதைகளை
அவர் கேள்வி 31. திருக்குறளை இயற்றிய தமிழ் புலவர் திருவள்ளுவர். தமிழ்நாடு அரசு இவர் பிறந்த ஆண்டாக கேபி 31.
நன்றி.